Hey guys, welcome. Today I'd like to do a little bit of a keyword research, how I like to do it, how I find low-hanging fruit. Stay tuned. So the first thing I like to do is I come through to AHREFS. This is a fantastic tool. I seem to like it a lot more than other tools. It's very easy to use. It's a little bit cheaper. They're all quite expensive, but that's not what this video is about. Let's get stuck into how I go about it. So the first thing I do is I check out what's happening. As you can see, this SEO campaign that we're running is doing really well. It's moved from basically 300 users up into 3.5k organic traffic. That's all relevant also. And you can see the keywords that we're starting to rank for over here. What I like to do is I like to hit the organic keywords tab. Then it loads the page of all of the keywords here on the left. But what I like to do is I like to filter these options out. So the first thing you want to do is you want to filter them out to be a decent amount of traffic, but not too much, not too heavy, because the heavier the traffic is, the more that it's going to be competitive. But that's another filtering option we've got here. So what I like to do here is between 100 and let's say 1,000. It's a huge website, so I'd do 1,000. Generally, I'd like to do 100 to about 500. But in this case, I'm going to do 1,000 because I think there might be a bit more opportunity on this website in particular. So what we do here is you look at the keyword difficulty. So go from 0 to, now it's on a scale of 100. So look, realistically, let's get really low hanging fruit, 5. So super low, not competitive. And as you can see here, it's starting to refresh. Now you can see some of the keywords that I've already gone for to get some quick wins with this SEO campaign. So pre-workout gummies has a volume of 600. The keyword difficulty is 0. Cost per click is 0 because people just don't know that that's a thing at the moment. So this research tool and this method of doing the SEO strategy has been highly effective for myself. So position number 1, I know in the back end, it's getting plenty of sales. No one's really going after it. After this video, I'm sure that other companies are going to be going after it, but they won't beat me. So it's a little bit arrogant, but it is what it is. So here we go. Pre-workout gummies, position 1, traffic's 203 that's coming through to our website. So this is fantastic. Second thing, crush pre-workout, volumes 200, keyword difficulty 0, traffic 64 is coming through to our website, position 1. Best testosterone booster Australia. It's very specific. So as you can see the URL here, it's under the testosterone booster URL. So that's how I find low-hanging fruit. It's just a simple filtering option. You don't need to do anything else but that. So look, whilst I'm here, I'll show you what I've done on the page. So look at this one, Rule 1 protein powder. Now I know that that's in position 8 at the moment, but I just did a little bit of optimization on it. So let's have a look. The volume is 1,000. I would say the keyword Rule 1 would be a lot more, but we're not going after that. So as you can see here, it's Rule 1 protein. Ideally, you'd like to have powder at the end of that. So Rule 1 protein powder is the exact key phrase, keyword that you want to rank for, because the keyword difficulty is only 3. So let's click on this URL and it will take you through to the actual page. Now this page in particular and this website in particular isn't exactly the best website to go off. It's not a super fast mobile friendly website, but we're working on that at the moment. But as you can see, Rule 1 protein powder in the key phrase, Rule 1 protein powder in the first part of the content. This would have a meta tag on it of Rule 1 protein. This needs to be fixed up, but we've got a price guarantee. As you can see, most important keyword is here. some key features. Obviously, information is vital. Make sure that everything's specific. And then right at the end, just add the keyword here as well. It's the exact keyword. And what you'll find is you'll start to get a lot more traffic. Google will reward you because most of the time people will come through to that website and purchase your product. And I think it's 70% at the moment that if you are on the front page, the conversions increase dramatically. So if you think that you're down on luck, it's not that at all. You just need to rank on Google. As they say, the best place to bury a body is on the second page of Google. I'm out. Thanks for listening to how to rank for keywords that are low hanging, easy to grab, easy to pluck, and to get quick wins with your SEO campaign. Or if you're a small business, please like and subscribe if this helped you. If not, that's all good. I'm just here to help out. So have a good day.